comes with a high resolution AMOLED display. The build and design really stand out. Hi there, the King is back. Here is the newly launched Boltt King, and it comes with everyone's favorite AMOLED display, stainless steel loop bands, Bluetooth calling and more just for 2,999. That's amazing pricing for this package. We have 2 units of different colors. Let's quickly unbox it and dive straight in. But before we begin, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. This is your friend Singh. Let's get started. So here is the retail packaging of the Boltt King. The one on the left is the black variant, the one on the right is the blue variant. Both come with stainless steel straps. You can see the AMOLED branding right here, King branding below, on the side Boltt branding, some more features mentioned here, 100 plus sports modes. Towards the back, you can see some manufacturing details and the MRP of 18,499. My God. But don't worry, you can get this for just 2,999. Let's quickly open it up. We'll start with the black one. Right on the top is the watch itself. An extra black silicone strap, really good quality. The usual paperwork, user manual, Ghana coupon code, book my show, some more. And finally, the pogo pin charging cable that magnetically aligns and attaches to the watch charging terminals. The good thing is got a really good grip on the magnet, stays really firm and won't come off. Let's quickly have a look at the other one, though we know the contents are going to be exactly the same. We have the watch, blue in color. We have blue silicone strap with this watch, really cool. The same user manual and coupons, and of course the same pogo pin charging cable. Alright, let's have a closer look at the watch and we'll start with the black one. Let's get rid of the sticker on the top. There you go, square dial with a metal loop strap. This is a magnetic strap, you can spot the Boltt branding here. It's a magnetic loop which attaches. I wish the quality of the metal band would have been a little better, but anyway, it's still not that bad, it's quite good. Towards the side here, it's got this flat sides with a glossy finish. It might attract some fingerprint and smudges, but looks really cool. There's a single button on the top with a red accent. On the other side too, flat design, glossy finish. Towards the back, well, the back is made of plastic and it houses the heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor and the charging terminals up here. Now the sensors here have this plastic film. Make sure you remove it so that the sensors give you more accurate reading. And if you look on this side, you can also spot the speaker here, which is going to assist you for phone calls. Really, really nice. The watch is also really light and compact. That's the best part. Now we'll quickly check out the blue one as well. And of course, first we'll get rid of the sticker here as well. Wow, I love this color. Looks really, really nice. I usually like blue a lot. There's a sticker here. It's basically there to prevent the watch from getting scratched in transit. Usually in transportation, there are chances of it getting scratched. So all these are there. So you get these same metal straps, and blue they look even better. Boltt branding, metallic loop which attaches, easy to adjust on your wrist. The quality actually feels pretty good. I was thinking it's not that good, but it's actually pretty decent. Same here, flat sides, red button on the side. Again flat sides. Yes, it does attract some fingerprint and smudges, but the watch looks really classy and cute. Moving towards the back, of course, you get the same heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor, charging terminals up here, and make sure you remove the plastic film here too. And same speaker here and microphone for phone calls. Now, of course, you can also replace these bands with the silicone straps, in fact, that they're provided. Just hook mechanism, press it and release. There you go. We'll basically just put these silicone straps and see. I'm glad they provided color coordinated straps. You know, that's also really good. And there you go. You can actually use them with a metal strap or you can use them with a silicone strap, which is a really, really good thing. The Boltt King comes with IP67 rating, so technically dust and water resistant. You can wear the watch at the gym, for a run, in the rain, but still, I won't recommend you wear this watch in the pool. वैसे तो कुछ होगा नहीं, but just in case it stops working due to water damage, then warranty won't cover that. So better safe than sorry. Alright, let's have a closer look at the watch. Now this is a 1.78-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 368 by 448 pixels. Now that's a really high resolution display, which is why even the smallest text is so clearly visible. Amazing. Of course, an AMOLED display, which means punchy and vibrant colors and perfect deep blacks. The other good thing is that Boltt has optimized their watch software really well. It doesn't miss a single touch It's also really smooth, animations really nice, and it's really easy to use. That's the best part. Now I know a lot of people want to know about the bezels. Let's go to a full screen watch face. There you go. Now I can say that the bezels are not really thin but not thick either. In fact, the curved display covers up for the bezels, making it look so much more seamless. It's really nice and clear. We also wore the watch outdoors briefly, and here you can see it's really clearly visible even under direct sunlight. A quick look at the interface. Swipe from up to access the quick toggles. You can see the phone calling is activated, vibration, you can adjust the brightness from here, movie mode, torch, weather, settings. Now the settings menu, I found the text to be really tiny. So for those who have bad eyesight, might have trouble reading that. Sadly, there's no way to increase the font size either. Right on the top is the display, auto sleep time where you can set the time, menu view, you can choose the grid view or the list view. I always prefer the list view, it's convenient. Adjust the brightness, watch faces, phone calling can be toggled on and off. So for example, you're in a meeting, you can turn it off so you don't get disturbed. Call reset, AI voice assistant is basically using Google Assistant or Siri from your phone. Then there's screen lock, which is basically always on mode. There's an option to choose analog clock or digital clock. If you come into analog clock, let's see. Now that's the analog watch face in always on mode. Indoors, it's clearly visible. Outdoors, you might have trouble seeing those needles. Let's check out the digital watch face. And that's a digital watch face in always on mode. Also not really bright. Indoors, very much visible. Outdoors, definitely not. System settings where you can restart, power off, reset, then you have about, and that's it. Now when you're on the home page, press the button on the side to access the menu. You can see the steps, phone calling, heart rate, sleep tracking, SpO2, sports training, exercise records, breathe app, weather, camera shutter, music player, alarms. Sadly, you can't set the alarms from the watch. You'll have to use the phone app for that. Stopwatch, timer, menstrual cycle tracking for women, calculator, flashlight, app download, and settings. Let's quickly check out phone calling. So first thing you need to do is go to the phone calling app. Here you can see recent call, dial pad, contacts, which is going to dial pad and randomly dialing a number. There you can see the phone call is being made. The audio hearing is from the speaker on the watch. See how clear and crisp it is. It's amazing, so clear and crisp. You can mute the mic, you can send this call to the watch, you can end the call directly from the watch itself. Very convenient. And similarly, you also can receive incoming calls directly on this smartwatch. You can hear the ringtone, there's also a vibration, you can see the caller's name with an option to reject the call, answer the call, and even control the volume. Now as you answer the call, you can talk using the smartwatch directly. The phone obviously has to be in the same room. Here you can also mute the mic, you can transfer this call to the phone, you can also change the volume from here and end the call directly. Let's talk about the call quality. Well, firstly, the speaker, as you heard, gets really loud. We tested this watch indoors as well as outdoors. It's clearly audible. In fact, indoors it was so loud I had to reduce the volume on the watch. Also, the caller didn't have any problem hearing me, so no disturbance, no echo, which means the mics on the watch do a really good job. I can confidently say it's extremely impressive for phone calling. Coming to health monitoring. So first we tested the heart rate, then followed by SpO2. We got the readings for both, but as I always say, these are just smartwatches. So use these readings just for a reference and not for medical purposes. By the way, there's also a breathe app, which I found it to be really helpful. So make sure you use that. I would also like to take a minute and talk about the fit and comfort. First, we'll talk about the stainless steel straps. Very classy, and the best thing is that they fit perfectly as per your need. If you have thin wrist or thick wrist, it works perfectly for all. The dial size isn't too big and feels very compact. The other good thing is that these straps don't add too much of weight on the watch, which is really important. Then we also wore the watch with the silicone straps, and of course, they were definitely more comfortable. They feel so nice on the wrist. But the good thing is Boltt is giving you both. Use the steel ones for work and formal events, while swap the silicone ones for workout and sleep tracking. Talking about sports modes, so the Boltt King comes with over 100 plus sports modes. All you need to do is go to the menu, scroll down to training. Here you'll find walking, you'll find running, cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball, football, rugby, golf, yoga, fitness, dancing, elliptical training, indoor cycling. There's a long list. Then you click the plus sign, popular sports, outdoor sports, training, dance, combat sports, ball sports, winter sports, recreational sports, and other sports. And you have a huge list here as well. Now, one thing to remember is the watch doesn't come with any kind of water sports tracking, which means it's not recommended to be worn for a swim. But overall, everything else that you need is here. Coming to the battery. So no info on the exact size of the battery, but it should easily last you 5 to 6 days with typical use. But remember, with Bluetooth calling and always on mode, 1 to 2 days of battery life max. Let's have a quick look at the Dafit Companion app. So right here on the home page, you can see your workout and health related data, steps, sleep tracking, heart rate, continuous heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen levels, outdoor running. If you come to the second option, you can see the battery. Here you have the watch faces. If you come to the last option, there's the watch face gallery. And here's a huge collection of watch faces that you can download, analog, digital. The list is almost never ending. And finally, if you come back here and come into the edit section, you can even choose a custom watch face for your watch. Check this out. I've actually already set one. That's a custom watch face. Then notifications, you can choose from which apps you want notifications and from which apps you don't. You can set alarms. You can use a watch as a camera shutter to take images from your phone's camera. Then favorite contacts. In others, you can change the time format. You can turn on continuous heart rate detection. Screen lock time can be set. Quick view. Drink water reminder, heart rate warning, weather, psychological cycle reminder, which is menstrual cycle reminder for women. Then finally, in the last one, you can also share your data with Google Fit. I know this feature is very handy for many. Overall, the Dafit app is really well optimized and easy to use. Alright, final thoughts. Well, firstly, the Boltt King is a looker, especially the blue color, which I'm totally in love with. The only thing this watch lacks is swim tracking. But rest, it's got it all, especially for the price. You get an AMOLED display, you get Bluetooth calling, you get all the health monitoring features, 100 plus sports modes, all for just $2,999. The Boltt King goes on sale today, 12 PM. I'll leave the links below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.